Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repair your EA games on PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, click on My Collection or Library on the left hand side. This will show all the games you have installed through the app. Now find the game you want to repair. Click on the three dots. A menu will pop up. From that, click Repair. The EA app will now check all the game files. If it finds anything missing or corrupted, it will automatically download and fix those files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your internet speed. While the repair is running, you can see the progress bar showing how much of the repair is completed. Make sure you don't close the EA app while it's repairing. Once the repair is finished, the game is ready to play. You can simply click play to start and your game and check if the problem is fixed. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.